full scale IQ. Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale WAIS is the most widely used IQ test for adults. WAIS third was released in 1997. It provided score for verbal IQ, performance IQ, and full scale IQ, along with 4 secondary files, including verbal comprehension, working memory, perceptual organization, and processing speed. Look at this flow chart. Full scale IQ, including verbal IQ and performance IQ. Verbal IQ divided into verbal comprehension index and working memory index. Verbal comprehension index including vocabulary, similarities, information, comprehension. Working memory index including arithmetic, digital span, letter number, sequencing. Performance IQ divided into perceptual organizational index and processing speed index. Perceptual organizational index including picture completion, block design, matrix reasoning. Processing speed index including digital symbol coding and symbol search. Detail going on. Verbal IQ, VIQ, include 7 tests and provided 2 sub-indexes, verbal comprehension and working memory. The verbal comprehension index included the following tests: information, similarities, vocabulary. The working memory index included arithmetic, digit span, letter number sequencing. Performance IQ, PIQ, included 6 tests and it also provided 2 sub-indexes: perceptual organization and processing speed. The perceptual organization index included block design, matrix reasoning, picture completion. The processing speed index PSI included digit symbol coding, symbol search, 2 tests: picture arrangement and object assembly were not included in the indexes. Uses of intelligent test: help to provide educational, vocational guidance, provide valuable information regarding mental ability, help to classifying clients, useful in selecting individuals for different job, used in research in psychiatry and nursing education, used in clinical and psychiatry hospitals to record effectiveness of treatment. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.